I'm good, thank you. Everyone, I'm pretty sure that all of you misses our teaching learning process in our classroom. Me too. But that's okay. Through this video, you can learn a new subject. And today, we will learn about maths. And the chapter is more about maths. Everyone, do you know what units that we need to take if we want to measure the masses? Yeah, we can use kilograms or grams. Now, I will give you one example. Kilograms and grams is usually used by seller. For example, if your mother want to buy some orange to the traditional market, and the seller will use the weighing scale to measure the mass of that orange. And now, today I have one weighing scale, and I will show it to you. You can see it. I have soccer ball, green ball, and also weighing scale. And before we measure the mass of this soccer ball and green ball, I will show to you the scales of this weighing scale. Look at these scales. You can see that this weighing scale contains red numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and black numbers. And in this weighing scale, we can read the capacity is 5 kilograms. It means the maximum mass that can be measured by this weighing scale only until 5 kilograms. And the graduation is 20 grams. It means in every single line in these black numbers, it contains 20 grams. And the capacity is 5 kilograms. It means from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 2. It means it contains 1 kilogram. So let's check the mass of this soccer ball. The soccer ball first. Now, the needles is point to the 4. Yeah, the numbers, the black numbers is 4. Please don't forget that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So, if from 0 to 1 is 1 kilogram, it means from 0 to 1 is say 1,000 grams. And it will be same in one black number, it contains 100 grams. So if the needles is point to 4, how much the mass of this soccer ball? Yeah, 4 times 100 is equal to 400 grams. So the mass of this soccer ball is 400 grams. Now, I will change it into this green ball. Yeah, the needles is go to the right, but not to 4. Now you can see the needles is point to the third lines. I have already told you that the graduation is 20 grams. So it means in every single line, it contains 20 grams. So if this green ball, the needles is point to the third line, how much the mass of this green ball? Yeah, 3 times 20 grams. And it's equal to 60 grams. That's right. And we have already learned about it, the weighing scale and the balls. Now, please look at this whiteboard. I have already have 3 questions about mass. Now, please look at the first number. I will read it for you. The mass of apples is 5 kilograms, 500 grams. And what is mass in the grams? Yeah, the question is, what is mass in the grams? But we know that the mass of this apple is 5 kilograms and 500 grams. How to change it? Look at this answer. 5 kilograms, 500 grams is equal to 5 kilograms plus 500 grams. We can change the equation become like that. And now we already know that 500 grams is already grams, but we must change the kilograms into the grams. And don't forget that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. It means how to change from kilogram to grams. Yeah, we must multiply it by 1000. So the equation become like this. 5 times 1000 grams plus 500 grams. 5 times 1000 it's equal to 5000 grams plus 500 grams. 5000 plus 500 is equal to, that's right, 5500 grams. So the conclusion is, the mass in the grams is 5500 grams. Please don't forget to write the conclusion. So everyone, you can pause this video and you can write all of this equation. Have you done? Now we will move to the second number. Now, the number 2, I will read the question. The mass of a sack of rice is 5400 grams. What is the mass in kilograms? Wow, different from number 1. Now, the mass of sack of rice is 5400 grams, and we will change it into kilograms. So it means 5400. We will change the equation become like this. 5000 grams plus 400 grams. Okay. Don't forget that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. If we want to change the kilogram into grams, we can multiply it. But if we want to change the gram into kilograms, we can divide it by 1000. So the equation will be like this. 5000 divided by 1000 grams plus 400 divided by 1000 grams. Don't forget, if we have the question like this, the division like this, we can erase the zero with the same numbers. We can see the zeros on the top is 3 zeros, and the zeros at the bottom is 3 zeros also. So we can erase it together, 3 zeros and 3 zeros. And the remainder will become 5 and 1. It means 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5 grams plus. Now, we can erase the zeros also. But see, the zeros at the top only 2, and the zeros at the bottom is 3. So, we only can erase the zeros, 2 zeros, like this, 2 zeros and 2 zeros. And it will become 4 divided by 10. And we have already learned at the fraction that 4 divided by 10 is equal to 0.4 grams. So 5 grams plus 0.4 grams is equal to 5.4 grams. The conclusion is the mass in kilograms is 5.4 grams. So everyone, you can write it at your book. You can pause this video. Have you done? Now we will move to the last number for today. The question is, the mass of an orange is 200 grams and the mass of an apple is 150 grams. The question for 3A. What is the total mass of fruit? Total. So it means we can use addition. That's right. We can use the addition. If the question is total, we can use addition. And addition, the fruits. Yeah? Forget for the is. Okay. For the fruits, so we can total the mass of orange and apple. How much the mass of the orange? 200 grams. Plus, how much the mass of an apple? 150 grams. So it will be equal to 350 grams. That's right. So the conclusion is the total mass of fruits is 350 grams. Okay. Now for number 3B, what is the difference in mass between the two pieces of fruit? So difference, it means we need to use subtraction. That's right. The difference. So can you guess what is the heavier fruit from orange and apple? Between orange and apple, which one the heavier? Yeah, an orange. So we can write like this: orange minus apple. So it's equal to 200 grams minus 150 grams. So the answer is 50 grams. That's right. And the conclusion is the difference in mass between the two pieces of fruit is 50 grams. So that's all. You can write it at your copy, at your book. Everyone, thank you so much for your attention. Good morning and God bless you all.